Pelican 3.3 Pelican Quickstart Error Value Error, Unknown Locale, UTF-8. When I was trying to use Pelican 3.3, I typed the command Pelican Quickstart, some errors showed up. These are the errors. My OS is OS X Mavericks.
You could try a solution posted here or here. Basically, add some lines to your /.bash_ profile. There is an outstanding bug report related to this issue. It appears that Python makes some assumptions about the format of locale names that aren't universally valid. Explicitly setting these environment vars is basically just a workaround for that bug. Edit, as that Asmora correctly points out, the above fix assumes English and the US. You should really pick your preferred locale from the list given by locale A, generally one that ends in UTF-8.
Upstairs answers were quick, great. But I believe people lazy like me want to change the global environment in case never change again while change to another login user. So we need to change the file like. And then add the 2 line in the following files. Remember, do not miss one of them. It doesn't work for me, just $lang or $lc_all. After that, run the command to active the environment. Again, lazy people like me can finish in 1-line command.
Gerard's answer works, and I believe we should mention that if you use something like ZSH, you should add lines to .zshrc instead of .bash_profile or .bash_rc.
I'm reposting my answer from this question here, since that it was marked as a duplicate of this one, and the accepted answer on this question is wrong in many ways. This is a bug in the OS X terminal app that only shows up in certain locales, country/language combinations. Open terminal in /applications/utilities and uncheck the box Set locale environment variables on startup. This will set your lang environment variable to be empty. This may cause terminal use to incorrect settings for your locale. The locale command in the terminal will tell you what settings are used. To use the correct language, add a line to your bash profile, typically .profile. Replace your lang with the correct locale specifier for your language. The command locale A will show you all the specifiers. For example, the language code for us English is n_us.utf8. The locale affects what translations are used when they are available, and also how dates, currencies, and decimals are formatted. Note, this image and content were taken from this URL. I'm also the original author of that page.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.